If you're trying to find the surface area of a prism, forget about memorizing a different formula for every single shape or manually calculating the area of every single individual face. Both ways take forever and can lead to errors. One master shortcut approach works for every single prism using just two simple measurements, the base and perimeter method. The formula for this method is total surface area is just 2 times the base area plus LSA. Let's look at a triangular prism to see where this formula comes from. Unfolded, we see that a prism is just two identical ends called bases connected by rectangular side walls. Remember, the base is always the unique shape that gives the prism its name, not necessarily the face it's sitting on. Finding the base area is easy, but instead of calculating every side rectangle one by one, look at what happens when they merge into one giant rectangle. This giant rectangle is the LSA, or lateral surface area. The height of the prism is the same as the giant rectangle, and its length, when wrapped back up, it perfectly traces the perimeter of the base. So the shortcut for the side walls of any prism is beautiful. Lateral surface area equals perimeter times height, or LSA equals P times H. Putting it all together, we get the formula. Total surface area is just 2 times the base area plus the lateral surface area, or LSA. Let's test it in 3 quick steps on this triangular prism. No counting faces needed. Step 1. Find the base area. Our base triangle is half times base times height, which is half times 4 times 3, giving us a base area of 6 square centimeters. Step 2. Use the perimeter shortcut for the LSA. The perimeter of the triangle is 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is 12 centimeters. Multiply that by the prism height of 10, and our LSA is 120 square centimeters. Step 3. Smash them together. Total surface area is 2 bases plus the LSA. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 120, giving us a grand total of 132 square centimeters. Done. That is the power of the base and perimeter method. No face counting, no ugly formulas. If this saved your homework, hit like, subscribe, and comment what topic we should conquer next.